in Vietnamese wedding. Here's my dad, here's my mom. They got married in 8 years ago. They're still young. My mom is beautiful and my dad is handsome. Do you think so? On the engagement day, the groom's family brought gifts to the bride's family. The gifts were carried by unmarried boys and girls. The girls, or sometimes the boys, wore outside Vietnam's costume. The gifts were often around nuts and betel leaves, cakes, fruits, tea. The tea inside the boxes, wine. There could be also beers, soft drinks. The engagement day, my mom wore outside Vietnam costume. My dad wore suit. Sometimes in my country, the groom also wear outside like the bride. Wedding day, my mom changed a beautiful wedding dress. They host a party at restaurant. Sometimes this party is celebrated in-house, often in countryside of Vietnam. And 8 years later, they have 2 children. One is me and 2 is my baby. They are still happy together. Thank you for listening. Subscribe my channel. Always every day. Bye.